If you need to email a SurveyMonkey survey, I'll show you the quickest way to get it set up, and I'll also point out the one important limitation you may run into with a free account. This is a simple tutorial, so whether you're sending a survey to coworkers, customers, or a small group, you'll be able to follow along step by step. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the homepage, click on your survey from the dashboard. If you don't already have one created, you'll need to make your survey first before you can email it out. After opening the survey, look for the option to publish or send your survey. In SurveyMonkey, this is usually where you choose how you want to collect responses. Click on Publish Survey to move into the sharing and collection options. Now you'll be taken to the Collectors section. This is where SurveyMonkey lets you choose the method for distributing your survey. To email the survey directly, click on Add a new collector. This step is important because collectors are what SurveyMonkey uses to separate different ways of sending your survey. Once the collector options appear, choose Email. This method lets you send the survey link directly to the people you want to invite. It's one of the easiest ways to control who receives the survey and track responses more cleanly. At this point, SurveyMonkey may ask you to upgrade your plan. That's because emailing surveys is often a feature that requires a paid subscription. So if you're on a free plan and you see a message prompting you to upgrade, that's completely normal. You'll need to either upgrade your account or use another collection method that's available on your plan. If you do have access to the email collector, you can continue by adding the recipient's email addresses, customizing the invitation message, and then sending the survey. You can usually personalize the subject line and body so your message looks more professional and gives people context before they open the survey. Before sending, always double check the survey link, the recipient list, and the message text. That helps prevent mistakes and make sure the right people get the right survey. If you're sending to a large group, it's a good idea to test it with one address first so you can confirm everything looks correct. And that's really it. To email a SurveyMonkey survey, you go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Publish Survey, add a new collector, choose Email, and then follow the prompts. Just remember that you may need an upgraded plan to use that feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on your favorite software tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.